Okay, beginning this site. Now I need to create a link to another sheet. I'm in Visual Studio Code. So how do you link your HTML page to a CSS sheet? Quite simple. All here. Link element allows authors to link their documents to other resources. So in this case, HTML page to CSS page. As I hover over there, the rel is actually a relationship, not relative to. This attribute names a relationship of a linked document to another document equals style sheet. href, that's the, can't remember what it all stands for. href equals styles.css as I've named it there. You might have it in another folder. I'm just keeping it simple for the time being to another folder. Now, if you hover over, it says follow link, control and click. And I'm doing this because it shows me I've put in the exact thing. I followed through to my styles CSS sheet, my cascading style sheets. I go back. So that proves it's linked. Do that again, hover over. So I know that is linked to that now. Okay, so there it is. Hope that helps.